Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back for another video. Today let me walk you through the ancient roads and lands of the Mesopotamian civilization. The Mesopotamian civilization is the oldest civilization of this world because no other civilization is dated as back as the Mesopotamian civilization, which started to grow around the year 5000 BCE. The word Mesopotamia is a Greek word that means the land between two rivers, as the Mesopotamian civilization is surrounded by two rivers named the Tigris River and the Euphrates River. The land space of the Mesopotamian civilization is represented mostly by Iraq today, and some smaller parts are represented by Iran, Syria, and Turkey. There were four different major civilizations under the Mesopotamian name, and those are the Sumerian civilization, the Babylonian civilization, the Assyrian civilization, and the Chaldean civilization. Today I will be hitting their highlighted histories. So let me start with the Sumerian civilization. The Sumerian peoples are the people who lived at the southern part of the Mesopotamian land. They were famous in the history for a number of reasons. They invented the first ever writing method of human history, at least in the known history, the cuneiform writing method. Secondly, they had their own lunar calendar system. They also had their own written law code named as the Code of Ur-Nammi. But the most important invention of the Sumerian peoples is the invention of the wheel, not only in the Mesopotamian history but in the history of the whole human race. It is remembered as a milestone. Okay, now comes the Babylonian civilization. The Babylonian civilization is founded by a leader from the Aramite nation called Hammurabi. The Babylonians were famous for their written law, the Hammurabi Code. When it comes to the topic of written law code, the Hammurabi Code gets all the attention as the ancient law code, though the Sumerian peoples had their own written law code and it was dated prior to the Hammurabi Code. The Babylonian civilization is also known for their literature. They have written the oldest literature of human history named as the Gilgamesh, which is written in the cuneiform method. I will be talking more about the Babylonian civilization in the later part of the video, as the Babylonian civilization has an extension of a civilization. So now comes the Assyrian civilization. In the history, the Assyrians are known as a military civilization because it is in the time period of their civilization when the use of iron spread as a war material. The Assyrians have made some progress in the field of science also. They are the first who divided a circle in a 360-degree form, and they invented a new system to divide the earth into latitudes and longitudes. The Assyrians lived roughly about 200 miles north to the place where the Babylonians started their civilization. It is at the bank of the Tigris River. And that brings us to the next civilization and the last civilization of the Mesopotamian history, the Chaldean civilization. As I have mentioned earlier, the Chaldean civilization is the extension that I have mentioned about the Babylonian civilization. So it is also known as the New Babylonian civilization. The Chaldean civilization was founded by an emperor named the Nebuchadnezzar. The Hanging Garden of Babylon is one of the 7 wonders of this world. The Chaldean peoples are also associated with the 12 zodiac signs that we use today, as they are the one who first originated the idea of 12 zodiac signs. They also invented a new calculation system of a 7-day week. So this is the end of my video. As you have learned in my previous videos, I keep a short part for vocabulary in my videos, at the end of my videos. So today we are going to learn a new word, lunar calendar. Lunar calendar is a calendar that takes into account the time of moon circling the planet Earth. The time is divided into 12 months like we have in our solar calendar, which we know as the English calendar. This is all for today. Hope you have enjoyed a short trip to the ancient Mesopotamia. I will love to see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.